Daddy
and
Kittens!
Hello! Today we'll make a notebook. A beautiful notebook. Are you ready?
Go!
Okay, so first we need paper. Very good. We need top paper, yeah, we need top paper. And we need soft paper, yes? Soft paper. Oh, many paper. Yeah, we have 6 today. Okay. We need a hole puncher.
Daddy, your hole.
Yeah, don't put your finger there. Don't put your finger there.
Daddy, your hole.
We need pen and
Pencil.
pencil. Very good. We need
Glue.
glue. Yes, we need glue. We need ruler. We need ruler. And last one.
Daddy, want your paper plate?
Yes, we have many numbers. And last, we need ribbons. Ribbons. Many ribbons. Yes. Okay. Are you ready? Let's do it. What color do you want? Yellow? Yellow. We have yellow and we have pink. Very good. And now I will take my paper. It's navy blue. Very good. So let's start. Daddy and kittens. Meow, meow, meow. Yes. Okay. Finish.
Sponsored by IQ English.